This assignment we are talking about value. So what we're going to do is show you how to do the reflection of, say for example, a raindrop or a water drop. And so you're going to need to draw two circles, and you can use anything. Like I'm going to use the bottom of this lid. I want you to draw two different size circles and just trace whatever object you use. Okay, or you can freehand your circles, but try to find two circles that you can trace. Okay, so once you draw the circle with value, like we have learned, the harder you push, it makes your pencil graphite dark, or you barely touch your paper and it'll become light. So with the circle, after you trace the first shape, I'm going to draw some reflection, and I'm going to follow the contour of the circle. Contour means the same direction, okay? Follow the shape. So I'm going to draw highlights. This is going to be the highlight of the water drop. Alright, and I'll do maybe a little one here too. But you're following the shape, okay? Same with this little circle. I'm going to do a small highlight, so I'm following the shape of the circle. And then a little one over here. Okay? Now, once you start coloring, this side you're going to make it dark. So you push down hard to make the lead dark. Okay, you need to try to stay inside the lines, so take your time and push down. You can either use the point of the lead, which makes a very sharp line, or you could start angling your pencil to where you're using the side of the lead. And the side of the lead will give you still a dark stroke, but it'll soften it up a little bit. Okay, now once you follow the lines, you stay inside the lines, you're going to gradually go lighter and lighter. Okay, so I'm following the shape of the water drop, and it's going to thin out over here, and it'll be thicker over here. So thin, and then it starts getting thicker over here, and you keep going dark until you get to the reflection, and then you start getting thinner towards the end over here. So you see where I'm not coloring over here. Okay, push down hard. And then you're going to start using the side of the pencil. So what I'm going to do now is hold my pencil like this, which makes me use the side of the lead. And now as you can see that it's getting softer. It's not as hard. And you're going to start gentle with pushing down the pencil so it gets lighter and lighter. Okay, I'm going to go around the reflection, which is a highlight. Okay. And then I'm going to start fading out. Okay, so once you do this top part of this water drop, you're going to go to the bottom here now, and you're going to do dark at the bottom. So I'm still using the side of my lead, the side of my pencil lead. And you're going to do dark on this bottom part. So this is like the shadow area. So if the water was like on a table or something, this is the shadow part. Okay? Now when you do that, you're going to start blending the graphite, the pencil lead. You want to blend it. And so what I use is I use a Q-tip. So get you a Q-tip, and you can blend the graphite, and you'll see how smooth it gets. And I'm going to blend all of the graphite, and even start going out where I didn't do any coloring. And some of the graphite that's on the cotton swab is going to go into the white area. And you want to gently do it, so it's a gradual blend. Go around the edge of the highlights, and then down here too. And you'll soften up the edge. Okay, so that's how you do it. And you're going to go ahead and do the second one also. Dark up here. Stay inside the lines. Follow the contour. Go around the highlights in between. And then down here too. It gets thick in the middle, and then it starts gradually thinning out. Okay. Use the side of your pencil again, where you're going to start fading out, and then you get your Q-tip. to blend it. And that is how you do highlights of a water droplet using value with your pencil. Okay, so there you go. Do a couple of shapes like that. Practice blending and making it dark. And if you have to go over, if you smooth out too much with the Q-tip, just go over the dark area again a little bit. Make a second layer of dark lead until you see a gradual transition from lights to darks. Alright, so there you go.